Hi, my name is Nahid Siddiqui, and I'm going to be going over what Viber is, the importance of Viber, why we need it, and some helpful hints and tutorials on how to use the app. I'm going to be making a series of videos, but in this specific video, I'm just going to be going over information about the Viber app. And then in the next videos, I will show tutorials and just dive into the usage of Viber. Now, what Viber is a communication application for you to be able to download on any smartphone that you have. It is a way for you to communicate with other people, whether they are internationally or they are local, if they're near you. And Viber also allows you to use if your phone is maybe only running on Wi-Fi, or if your phone has, cellular data, cellular capabilities, meaning you have 3G or 4G or LTE. Viber is very similar to WhatsApp or Kik or Facebook Messenger, basically any kind of communication application that lets you speak to somebody else, whether it's in the same means as text messages, voice memos, voice calls, or video call. Going over why Viber is important, it is very important to have a communication application in which you can communicate freely with anybody who is overseas or international. You can communicate with anybody that maybe they have a phone, but they don't have a cellular service, and maybe they can only connect to Wi-Fi. So Viber gives you the ability to communicate with that person as long as they are connected to Wi-Fi. Another important aspect about Viber is its layout. So in comparison to a lot of other communication applications, Viber is pretty simple. So for a person who maybe is not that technically inclined, or for a person who does not, know too many gadgets or features or how to mess with an application too much, they just need something simple. You can clearly see the sections of the Viber app in which you will necessarily need to use, and then everything else, the additional features, the additional settings, those are all going to be hidden. And if a person were to explore those, they would be able to. It would not be limited to them. However, when you take a look at the Viber layout, you are not intimidated by its layout because of its simplicity. Viber just recently launched a more simple layout, and they also have a few aspects that they implemented, such as being able to connect with people within the Viber community so that you can perhaps meet new people. Viber also allows you to make group calls. So if you want more than two people on a call, you have that ability. And Viber also allows you to make your phone number hidden or private so that when you are chatting with someone, they don't know where your number is unless you want them to, then you can reveal it. So this concludes this video. I just wanted to mention why Viber is an awesome app. And in the next videos, I will go into more detail as far as the actual usage of the app and how to utilize all of its features.